Hi guys, in this video I am going to show how to download and install OBS Studio on your Windows 11 operating system. Let's get started by opening your favorite web browser and browse. Okay, then navigate to this website and then click on Windows. It may take a while for downloading OBS Studio executable file for Windows operating system. Okay, after a successful download, open OBS Studio executable file. Allow this app to make changes to your device. You can open OBS Studio executable file directly from download folder. Now click on next to continue. Accept license terms and agreement, and now click on install. Okay, installed successfully. Now click on finish. Now launch OBS Studio. Now select the option for streaming or recording. Choose one option from these three. Okay. Now select Essence and then click on this plus sign to add a source. At first add display capture. You can enter any name and make source visible. Okay. Now select the capture method, automatic or one of them. Click on OK. Now add audio input capture source. Okay. Or you can use the default audio input from here. Our OBS Studio is ready for recording my desktop screen. You can start streaming or record your screen. I'm going to start recording my desktop screen. Click on start recording. Okay. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video. Now stop recording and I am going to open this recorded file. Okay, the file recorded successfully. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.